Right, we're just up there. Little metal pit because we didn't want to do any damage, you know, like moving everything around. I'll put everything back like.
This would be a good one to film now it gets to have tricks.
We can stand the camera over there. Ah, it's going to be a good one, this. I'll cover that back up to the best I can. Just like that. Well hidden. I had to look hard, I thought it, you know, tricky. Very hard one to find that one. Little metal pit, lovely nest. Just hoping it doesn't get predated or whatever, or disturbed. Right, we're gonna look for some other. So just stay tuned. Hopefully we'll find some more. Right. Up. We've just checked that metal pit.
That was a good find straight away.
We just pulled up.
5 minutes, that's how I like it. You didn't have to look like you sort of come across it.
One jumpsuit right next to your feet, like 1 foot away. I was standing right next to it.
One have 3.
3 eggs. It might still be on lane and all. It's
I read it again.
they lay about 4 or 5, so that's. It'd be good if we find the cuckoos in it. That's what I want.
It will be a good nest to film because it's dead low on the bank side. You can set the camera now and have the
straight opposite. Aye, we'll get that.
And we'll have it because we didn't do that much of that last year.
No. We'll make a little bit of a series on this one, like a compilation video on it.
Right,
if it survives.
We've still probably got just over an hour light, so we'll head somewhere else for a bit.
Aye.
See if we can find something else.
Right. Back in a minute. Right. Be a couple of seconds to the YouTubers. Right, we've just come up here. I checked for the song for what we found on building it maybe 10 days ago.
It's something like that. It looked a good one, we found it like.
Oh aye. Aye, definitely
did. It looked ready found, didn't it?
I'm gonna check this wall on the way up and now, like, you know, just see if there's anything in there.
We found something once in this wall and it was on the other side, wasn't it?
Seen
some of the old nests and stuff like. I can see the wagtails now, the pile wagtails. But I'm hoping.
I'm hoping the song thrush has got something. We've seen the sandpipers up here a couple of times the last couple of years. But
I've seen them on the next on the rock, but never found out like.
No. They do just nest up on the grass, like, away from the water.
Let's see what this.
I see the song thrush is in there.
Right,
I can hear one singing. I can see its head.
Can you?
I can see its beak sticking over the top of the nest, yeah.
Alright. And I get zoomed in on it a bit, like, or can you see it close enough to...
You can only just see a bit of its beak and that. Not a lot of it. It should have a full clutch in there. Looks like a little stick sticking out the nest, but it's actually its beak.
Aye.
Can you see it from... Oh, there. Oh, it's jumped off. It's jumped off and away. I might as well check it now. I'll extend this tripod. We weren't going to, but you know, since it jumped off, I might as well have a look.
Probably got a full nest, because like you said, 3 hours a week, and it looked... I can just see, alright, I can see at least 4. Alright, 4. I've got to wait and let it get back anyways, because it's across there somewhere.
Well, we've just crossed over the water.
We've not been on this side this year, have we?
No.
Have a bit look. But there's quite a few trees and that and just the road and stuff like that.
Aye. I'll just see what we're going to spot.
I don't know how I ever found anything on this side.
No, nothing with eggs.
Found old ones and stuff, haven't we?
Uh-huh.
So it's tiny.
Aye. We've only looked last year though.
Was that the first time I came across this place last year?
It was the first time we looked in here last
Was
year,
it?
I'm sure it was, aye.
I was past it a load of times, didn't we? We kept saying it was good to have a look, but last year was the first time I think we
Probably a footpath and a lay-by on that was it.
did.
Oh, we'll have to stop there one day. We eventually did. Found Alkanes. Right, just seeing if we can...
I'll tell you what, there's a load of rabbits around now, man, compared to...
Aye. We'll walk around this way so we can come back that way.
I haven't know exactly what to look like.
It's just in
Where?
case there's like anything in these trees, you know, like a mistletoe or something. Kind of place you might just find one, hopefully. Gotta be optimistic.
I think the birds now, they like to use this lake and
Uh-huh.
lake and lichen had.
Oh no, doesn't
And
know
there's
what to
actually a lake
pronounce
and
that.
lichen. You'd think they were just building the tree it was on. Yeah.
Aye, I
Make it
know.
easier.
Like properly camouflaged in there. If we didn't find out, it's a canny little walk anyways, isn't it? That's the whole point.
Ah,
When our summer overviewers like to be in on the walk at the same time as the finding the nests. It'd be a canny boring video if we just showed every nest for like 30 seconds and that was it. We've done that in the past, mate, you know. But this year we're going to try and make the videos a bit longer for everyone. Just to make them, well,
tell you what, there's rabbits starting all over this one.
yeah. Because we like watching the longer videos as well, you know, that's what our plan is anyways. I think we're on private land again, like, you know.
No, you didn't like it, you come across the path.
There's a public footpath, I just didn't know if you can... Oh, there's the path, unless it's a sheep trail.
This is where I've seen people on the walk across the and the walk up across it.
Oh, because you kind of gone up there, because that is public.
Well, that
I mean,
was
that's
the-
private up there. There's a farm up there. Aye, so this is the path. Aye, that's it.
Not sure I didn't like it up across there.
Aye,
I've seen people hiking across there.
aye. Now, this old knackered tree in the corner, last year, but it was like
Oh, the
back
owl.
end of May. Aye.
Aye, when the
It was sitting right next to us, like 5 foot away from us, and it blasted out and spun round on us. And I crapped myself, but it's a good enough tree for an owl nest. So we're going to give it a bit of a shake and all that, all right.
Which one was it, that one?
This one in the corner in front of her, aye.
What was it?
The old knackered one. Isn't it? Aye, because I walked up from down there. It actually had leaves on it.
Oh, right, I was thinking of that one over there for some people.
No.
Let's have a look at that one over there.
Aye,
We'll stick the camera off and you to it.
aye.
Bouncing it there.
Well, we've had a good look around down the bottom here. I haven't spotted anything. We've been doing that field up there. How they run, checking all these trees and the holes and that. Not at the minute. Right, we've looked all the way down there and
That's on the thing. Wait,
yeah.
those blackbirds are getting that tree, but
Aye, wasn't even
what
worth
was
looking
last
at.
year, I think.
Apart from the songthrush had eggs, but we already knew that was there.
I've got to kind of drive back if it's not too dark and we'll stay out in this and we'll just...
We'll stop off. Aye, so it might be the end, it might not be. We'll see. Right, just here on the reeds, we've got a reed bunting nest. Got 4 eggs. Quite in an exposed place, but big reed beds. Right, just in the moorland, and got a golden plover here with 4 eggs. It's a nice one. Just driving along the road and the bird flew off. The bird's over there somewhere. Just 10 foot away from the side of the road. Golden plover.